left lane and driver not on foul in the right lane. As they close out our all motor pro.
my intimate shaft broke. I need to replace that. That's the only thing that is bone stock. I should have listened to my friend and replaced it, but I was thinking 500 horsepower, what can go wrong? So the next plan is go ahead and replace that part, upgrade to a performance, that handle, I don't know. I think they make that shaft from somebody, I don't know, 500 horsepower or something. I don't know, shit.
We're gonna upgrade too fast.
Yeah, but I'm gonna upgrade the intermediate shaft, replace it, come back next month for the race war, if I make it to that event. I'm not quite sure yet, but that's what I'm gonna do. I'm very disappointed today at the track. That was my first run. I was gonna get, you know, see how I do, but disappointed. Hopefully next time I get a better result. So it's all Mark's fault that he's here.
Because I won't be here next time.
You gotta blame somebody, you know. No, actually, this time they prepped the track, and that's why my intermediate shaft broke. Because last time they didn't prep the track, like I said, that's why I was spinning out, going, ran the 12.2. This time they prepped the track, and yeah, so that make more sense why I snap it. So, gotta replace it. I really need like drag.
You need slicks.
Yeah, real drag.
You need slicks. We'll sing it. We're coming next month. Get the slicks ready.
I'll be back.
With me.
Yeah, with Mark. That shit in the back. Keep going. Yeah. I thought you ran 11.6. Yeah, go do it. Go. Okay, come back. Come back. Keep going. 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 Okay. This car losing power. No car losing power. We ran a 10.2 though. So ran a 10.2. 135. Yeah, I mean 60 was good, but actually real bad.
First qualifying hit. 10:22 with the 7 at 134 mile per hour. Jesus 11:35 with a 5 at 122 mile per hour.
Oh shit. He's going to the final, but look at that. He's milking it. He's milking everything he got.
Oh, look at where my start is. Hello.
Jeez, this is what milk looks like, guys.
Oh my god.
You see the hole right there?
Oh, damn.
Right there.
That's what I get for using steel rods.
Right
I'm supposed
there.
to be using aluminum.
Let me see it. Where's it at?
Damn, you were going to
Oh,
the
yeah, I see
final
right
too. Push the whole starter out too.
Still 1 second.
Yeah, you 1 second still. Hey.
That sucks. You won, but you can't race now.
It was a good run though.
What did it run?
I think you ran 10-2 again too.
Just
Again.
to tow it?
Yeah.
Showing up?
Yeah.
Here we go again, our second time. Hey, but this time there's no such thing as running again. He made it to the final. Yeah. Made it to the final though. Through a rod. Damn. I know. Look at that milky milk coming out. It's cool. I mean, he had blast. At least he make it down the track, not like me. Yeah. I mean, 1 foot.
He gambled and he won. He got 2 runs. You gambled, you got no runs.
Asshole.
Cheers, losers.
Yeah, cheers to the loser.
Hey, at least I got $300
Hey.
to pay for my shit today.
Exactly. Hey, you passed the finish line. I haven't.
Second place is 300.
I got to the starting line and I passed it only by a foot. That was it.
Alright,
All right, cheers, guys.
cheers.
Yeah.
This is a good day of racing.
Yep.
Good day racing.
Alright, this is KL Imports. As you can see here, we got Keith and we got Joe. Keith is the MR2 K20 swap. You got Joe here, all motor K20 Civic. So I guess we had a dose of bad news for K20 Keith. Tell us what happened.
Well, last time the track wasn't prepped, so I figured I could probably get away with it. So I didn't buy the intermittent shaft. So therefore this time the track is prepped. I launched it real hard like I did last time and snap. There go that shaft. So I'm gonna upgrade to a 1,000 horsepower shaft or whatever they got way up there, and that's that. But the good part was at least I staged. You know, I did a good stage though, and I just moved like 1 foot.
No, he got a good
Yeah.
stage. You got a
Yeah.
good stage. You
It
got to the
looks
tree.
good. It
The
looks
tree
good,
was there,
right?
and right when he took off, that's when the shaft broke.
It did look good though, but
He had his
that
helmet
was
on and
right.
everything. That shaft broke. So we didn't get a run that today. The MR2 didn't get a run today, but for next, we'll get ready for next month. That's the goal today. So he's
But
going.
Joe did real good this time, real good on his K20 Civic. What you pushing, Joe?
400 almost.
So he has a 400 all motor 400 horsepower Civic K20 engine. He got 2 passes. First, he missed the first qualifying round, but he got to the first round. And the second round he ran both rounds. He ran 10.2. Or 10.02?
I think it's 10:22
10:20,
at
yeah,
what, 134?
134
mile per hour.
So it's consistent runs.
Yeah.
So the downfall is, I'll let Joe explain it, but pretty much he got to the very end of the finish line, past quarter mile, and that's when he knows there were some issues with the vehicle.
Yeah, motor let out. I have steel rods in it, which I should be having aluminum rods in it. And I knew it was gonna go sooner or later, but you know, Keith said he was gonna buy me a new motor, so I said we'll go ahead and push it today. And you know, so but I love him. New motor coming, so you know he's gonna hit you know one start tonight and let me know.
Damn, how you know I was gonna go there?
So pretty much the moral story is
No.
both of the guys they knew they should have changed out or gotten certain parts that they should have, but they didn't. Keith knew he should have got an intermediate shaft, but he was gonna gamble with it. He should be able to hold 500 horsepower. So from the track being prepped up pretty well, it snapped it. So it was a good gamble. Well, it wasn't a good gamble. It was a bad gamble.
So at least we know this time the track is prepped, not like last time. Last time it was crappy, you know. But I ran Troll 2 with a crappy track, so at least I made it down the track last time. Shit, not like this time.
Yeah, this time we had a good hopes for it.
Yeah.
I think it should ran a lot lower. And then Joe's, we had high hopes for it for sure, and he did produce. But what you gamble with? You gamble with steel rods.
Yeah.
Joe actually made it to the final.
Yeah, he got in the finals. So as of right now, Joe's in the finals, but because his car's down, he's probably gonna have to forfeit it.
What happened to your car?
It threw a rod. It said knock knock.
Knock goodbye, good night.
It melted up pretty bad, yeah.
Oh man.
So unfortunately, yeah, that's pretty much it for today.
Yeah.
Keith didn't get a run, but we'll be here for next time. And Joe, he ran his, but he didn't. At least he qualified, and he could have ran to the finals, but we're out. So
We'll be here next time.
next time we're running again, but this time everybody knows what their vehicles can do and what they can't do. So no more gambling with parts. Make sure we have the right parts. Make sure we have the right rods. But you know, it's an everyday thing. I mean, every racer has the same scenarios. They already know what they have to deal with. So just a lesson learned. Just make sure we have all the right parts and we get ready for next season. 2021. All right, KL Imports.
KO Imports.
KL Imports out.
KO Imports.
All right, brother. KO Imports.
All right.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Next year.